Hello and welcome to the April edition of the Parking Network News Roundup. I'm your host Monit, and while this episode is arriving a little later than usual, it's for good reason. Things have been especially busy at Parking Network with preparations for our AI in parking and mobility event in Maastricht, and several other exciting initiatives keeping us on our toes. Still, we made the time to bring you the highlights from April, and there's plenty to cover. Let's dive in. Let's start in the Netherlands, where parking apps have become the go-to payment method. But recent changes to service fees by some providers have stirred up frustration, with users taking to social media to vent. To break it down, here's Menno, Manager of Marketing and Corporate Communication at Monit.
Mobile parking apps have grown into the most popular payment option here in the Netherlands. However, recent changes in service fees by app providers have caused a lot of turmoil, with many users expressing their anger on social media. Will these changes see a return to cash and card payments, or will the app landscape see a big shift in popularity? Parking operators using Monit data already have the answers to these questions. With a simple click of the button, our data-driven dashboards give you all the payment information you want.
Next up, Planet has introduced dynamic currency conversion to its market-leading mobile SDK. This innovation lets international drivers pay in their own currency directly within the app, enhancing both convenience and transparency. Let's hear more from Alexander, SVP Emerging Markets at Planet.
At Planet, we're excited to launch dynamic currency conversion on our market-leading mobile SDK. This innovation lets international drivers to choose to pay for their parking in their own currency directly in the app, improving on their user experience. Our award-nominated solution is seamless to integrate and is already used in Europe and North America by top parking providers like Flowbird and Skidata. Customers can significantly increase their conversion using single-button checkout and multiple payment methods wallets.
In April, Trilux shared a series of articles highlighting their work across the parking sector, with a special focus on their full-service lighting upgrade at Zuiderland Medical Center in the Netherlands. That project reflects their broader international experience. Trilux currently does maintenance service for 188 car parks worldwide, has completed over 100 projects in the last decade, and delivered full-service solutions at more than 20 locations. Here's Sven, International Key Account Manager at Trilux, with more.
We are offering our products, solution and lighting management systems international, and we are acting as a full service provider, meaning we are your partner on every project stage. From consultation and planning for the right solution to the deinstallation of the current lighting infrastructure and of course the installation of the new lighting system. Even after the successful handover of your project, we are still on your side as your partner, offering our maintenance service and our cloud-based monitoring services. By choosing a high-quality lighting solution, a car park becomes safer, more energy efficient and more user-friendly.
In the UK, PayByPhone and QPark are making off-street parking more seamless by expanding automatic cashless payment options. Here's what Adam, UK Managing Director at PayByPhone, had to say. We're delighted to collaborate with QPark to be one of its cashless parking payment providers across its car parks. As PayByPhone is present in many of the UK cities where QPark operates already, this move brings additional benefits and extra convenience in those locations for our users because they can now use our app in these facilities as well as for on-street parking. In the US, Get My Parking has rolled out its AI-powered express lane at River Landing, delivering digitized hardware light access control by retrofitting existing systems. Here's Steve, President of Get My Parking North America. Express Lane is designed to transform parking operations without costly hardware upgrades. By retrofitting existing equipment, we're helping operators like River Landing reduce costs, minimize environmental impact, and deliver a digitized, user-friendly experience. And finally, some more exciting news out of the UK. Unity 5 has acquired Chipside, combining two major players in municipal parking technology. Here's a quote from Mark, CEO at Unity 5. Chipside and Unit 5 are natural partners. We both take pride in the relationships we have built with our customers, and our shared values of service excellence and continuous improvement make this a perfect fit. That's it for this episode of the Parking Network News Roundup. From smarter infrastructure and cross-border payments to strategic partnerships and full-service rollouts, April had plenty to offer. And speaking of exciting things, we're just about to welcome everyone to our AI in Parking and Mobility event in Maastricht. If you're already registered, we cannot wait to see you there. And hey, if you manage parking in some way and would like to still attend, it's cutting it close, but reach out. There's a chance our team can still make it work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit parking.net to catch past episodes and stay updated on the latest. See you next time!